No hassle living here in Hammonton. We got a great rental. I'm going to show it to you right now. 211 Marlyn Avenue. Who doesn't love Marlyn? We have a 3-bed, 2 full bath house, and a ranch style doesn't come around too often in Hammonton for rent. You can see we're in the living room, real nice. You got Anderson windows, crankouts, lovely, and there's a lot of room in this property, a lot of public areas. Got this really nice dining area. All told, it's just short of 1,600 square foot. You got more Anderson windows, you got the crescent on top, everything's cool. Got this really nice kitchen, L-shaped, plenty of countertop space, plenty of cabinetry, all's good. And then you come out the back here, you got this huge backyard. Imagine your kids playing back here, throwing the ball around. The tenant has access to the metal shed. The landlord's gonna keep the wood shed for herself. But the other perk with the exterior is that the landlord's gonna cut the grass for you. You take care of the snow removal and all that, but she'll do the actual grass cutting. You don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna show you right now the 3rd bedroom. So nice size. This would be bedroom number, we'll call it 2. All's good. That faces Marlyn Avenue. And Marlyn's one of the nicest streets in Hammonton, for those of you who don't know the area. Got a full bathroom with a stand-up shower. It's got excellent tile. It's got the concave tile that gives the bevel look really, really nice. And you have this huge master bedroom. So it's got the tray ceiling, got recessed lighting, huge expanse here. You can put a big king-size bed, California king, whatever you need. You got a closet over there that's really a nice addition. In here you have the master bath, great tile, big jacuzzi tub, and you got a stand-up shower. So everything's big. You have another exterior exit right to the backyard. Real nice. And let me just have you take a look at the lovely and just very large closet area here. So you got dual closets, plenty of room to store all your stuff. If this is the right property for you, click the description below and you can go to the website. You can see all the pictures, the whole portfolio of everything that this house has. If it's not the right property, then click subscribe and you can see all the new properties as we list them, and we're getting a lot of them. This happens to be a rental and it's on Marlyn Avenue. A trickle of traffic comes through. Kids go to the Hammonton Public Schools, which is real nice. 3 beds, 2 baths, natural gas. And guess what? The landlord has solar panels, so your electric bills are only going to be $7 a month. And you're gonna need to pay for that particular part of it, but the landlord takes care of the rest. If there's any overage over a certain amount, of course you would take care of that. Got a great property on a great street. Gonna be perfect for your family. Got a big driveway here and you have access to downtown Hammonton. The shopping center is right behind you, so perfect location. And I hope to see you in Hammonton.